Are you curious about the unspoken desires younger women often have in their relationships with older men? Today, we're going to explore those subtle wishes that aren't always voiced. We'll dive into the complexities of modern dating dynamics, especially between different age groups. Understanding these desires can significantly enhance mutual respect and connection. So, are you ready to gain a deeper insight into what younger women really want, but may never ask for? Stick around for the special bonus tip at the end, a gem that perfectly complements everything we've discussed. It's an invaluable nugget of wisdom that can profoundly elevate your approach and understanding. 1. Show genuine interest in their passions. Diving into the world of her passions and interests, let's explore why it's crucial for older men to genuinely engage with the hobbies, careers, and dreams of younger women. This is more than just nodding along to her stories. It's about truly listening and showing a sincere interest. Imagine she's passionate about photography. Instead of a simple, "That's nice," how about asking about her favorite subjects to photograph, or what inspires her? This shows that you're not only paying attention, but also that you value her interests as much as she does. It's a subtle yet powerful way to build a connection. This approach helps bridge the age gap, demonstrating that you respect her as an individual with unique pursuits. It's not about mastering her hobbies yourself, but about appreciating them. This respect for her passions speaks volumes, showing that you see her as an equal partner with fascinating insights and experiences. Remember, young women often look for connections that go beyond surface-level interactions. By genuinely engaging with what lights up her world, you're not only building a bond, but also enriching your own life with new perspectives. It's a win-win, a chance for shared growth and deeper understanding in the relationship. 2. Offer wisdom without being patronizing. Now, let's navigate the delicate art of sharing wisdom. Older men often possess a treasure trove of experiences and insights, which can be incredibly valuable to younger women. But here's the twist. It's all about how you share this wisdom. Picture this. She's facing a challenge at work or making a tough decision. You've been there, done that. Sharing your experiences can be like offering a guiding light, but it's essential to do so in a way that's empowering, not patronizing. Think of it as offering a map rather than steering her car. The key is in the delivery. It's like sharing a secret recipe. You provide the ingredients and the steps, but let her cook the dish. This approach shows respect for her ability to make decisions while offering your insights as a resource, not a directive. Respectful sharing of wisdom creates a balanced dynamic. It's not about proving how much you know. It's about gently placing the tools in her hands and cheering her on as she builds her masterpiece. In a nutshell, sharing wisdom is like a dance. It's all about the right steps and the perfect rhythm, making the journey enjoyable and enlightening for both. 3. Respect for independence. In the dynamic between younger women and older men, acknowledging and valuing her independence isn't just nice, it's essential. So what does this really mean? Independence is like a garden she's nurturing. It's about her making her own choices, having her space, and thriving in her individuality. When you respect her independence, you're essentially saying, "I see you and support you in your journey, not just as a part of mine." It's about celebrating her autonomy, not overshadowing it. Imagine she's planning a solo trip or focusing on a personal project. Your role? Be the supportive figure who admires her ambition, not the one who unintentionally casts a shadow with overprotection or unnecessary advice. It's like cheering from the sidelines, not running the race for her. This respect fosters a healthy balance in the relationship. It's about understanding that being a part of her life doesn't mean reshaping her world. Think of it as a partnership where two individuals coexist harmoniously, each with their own dreams and spaces. Respecting her independence is a beautiful blend of support and space. It shows that you're interested in a genuine, mature connection that celebrates both togetherness and individuality. It's the kind of respect that deepens bonds and builds lasting connections. I trust you're finding value in this video. If so, why not spread a little love? A quick like, dropping a comment, or subscribing would mean the world. 4. Embrace contemporary trends and ideas. Why is it pivotal for older men to stay attuned to the interests and cultural touchpoints that resonate with younger women? Let's talk about that. This journey is about much more than just keeping up with the latest fads. It's about connecting and sharing. Imagine she's buzzing about a new music genre, a viral social media challenge, or a groundbreaking technological innovation. By showing a willingness to understand and engage with these contemporary elements, you're not just staying relevant. You're building bridges. It's like tuning into a new radio station and discovering a whole new world of melodies. Engaging with current trends isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about showing that you're open to exploring her world and seeing things from her perspective. Think of it as a cultural exchange where both of you share and learn from each other. This openness breaks down barriers and creates a shared space where age differences fade into the background. It's a lively dance between the old and the new, enriching your relationship with fresh insights and shared experiences. So, dive into this colorful pool of contemporary culture and enjoy the swim together. It's not just about keeping up, it's about growing and connecting in fun and meaningful ways. 5. Emotional maturity and stability. In relationships, especially between younger women and older men, these qualities are like the anchor in the sea of life's ups and downs. But what does emotional maturity really entail? It's about being the calm in her storm, the steady hand when the waves of life get choppy. Emotional maturity means handling conflicts and differences with grace and understanding, not with heated reactions or dismissive attitudes. It's about listening, truly listening, to her thoughts and feelings, and responding with empathy and wisdom. Think of it like a lighthouse guiding a ship. Your stability and maturity can be a guiding light, offering reassurance and perspective. It's not about never having problems or disagreements. It's about how you handle them. It's showing her that challenges can be navigated with patience and understanding, not just with passion or intensity. Emotional stability also means being consistent. Younger women often appreciate the reassurance that comes from knowing you're a reliable, steady presence in their lives. It's like a favorite book. No matter how many times you open it, it always offers the same warmth and comfort. 6. Encouragement and support. In the dynamic between younger women and older men, this aspect shines bright. It's all about being her cheerleader, in a way that uplifts without overpowering. Picture this. She's chasing a goal, be it career, education, or a personal project. Your role? To be the wind beneath her wings, offering encouragement that boosts her confidence. It's like being the applause at the end of a performance, the one that says, "I believe in you." But here's the twist. It's about striking the perfect balance. While offering support, it's crucial to avoid becoming overbearing. Think of it as watering a plant. Too little and it withers, too much and it drowns. Your support should be like gentle sunlight, helping her to grow, not a scorching sun that overwhelms. This support extends beyond words. It's in the little acts, a message of encouragement, a listening ear, a shared laugh over coffee. These gestures paint a picture of a relationship where she feels valued, understood, and genuinely supported. And now for that bonus tip, the power of subtle compliments. In the tapestry of interactions between younger women and older men, the art of complimenting plays a pivotal role. But here's the secret ingredient: subtlety. Subtle compliments are like the gentle brushstrokes in a masterpiece. They're not loud or overdone. They're thoughtful and genuine. Imagine noticing the way her eyes light up when she talks about something she loves and you say, "Your passion really shines through in your eyes." That's not just a compliment, it's a moment of connection. This isn't about flattery or grand gestures. It's about acknowledging her qualities, her efforts, her essence in a way that feels sincere and heartfelt. It's like finding a rare book in a library and appreciating its unique story. It shows that you're paying attention to the details that make her who she is. A well-placed, subtle compliment can uplift her spirit and strengthen the bond between you. It's a whisper of admiration, an acknowledgement that she's valued for more than just the obvious. So wield this tool wisely and watch as it adds a layer of depth and warmth to your interactions. Subtle compliments are small keys that can unlock big doors in the heart. After exploring the things she wants, why not check out how to get her to chase you, or explore the signs a younger woman likes you? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.